iron and steel. Some people see it like this. For some, it's like this. For us, iron and steel means a perfect production site managed with the special screens of the it.ironMES solution that we have designed specifically for the industry. it.ironMES solution, which has developed with our sectoral experience, maximizes ease of use with its management and reporting screens. it.ironMES covers all the production field processes of the iron and steel industry, such as steel mill, rolling mill, wire rod, iron foundry, including OEE performance management, real-time monitoring, quality management, and downtime management screens. The solution also minimizes your implementation times with its special functions. It minimizes the errors that can be occurred in the production process by visualizing your production area with dashboards. And it provides production optimization with its scope that you can expand according to user needs and offer real-time traceability and control. Besides, you can manage inventory and stock management, manage your quality control processes, and accelerate your decision-making processes with it.ironMES data analytic features. Let's take your company one step ahead with a strong and reliable production process with it.ironMES. To shape the future together, as your innovation partner, we are ready. Are you?